In a recent video, I shared that real estate is often a non-probate asset, but that this can sometimes create problems with things like being able to sell the property or maintain the property or who's going to handle the expenses of the property. So today I'm going to share with you a few reasons why you may find it easier to have your home or real estate in a revocable living trust instead. First, most of the time the home is a non-probate asset. It vests automatically in the heirs. And while this can sound like a good thing, what it also means is that your heirs immediately become responsible for the expenses related to that property, things like the mortgage and the property taxes, utilities, insurance. And that can be a financial hardship for them because often they haven't received any monetary assets from the estate yet. So one of the reasons why we like having the home in a revocable living trust is that we can authorize the trustee to use estate assets to pay those expenses until we're able to sell that property or until we're able to get the beneficiary some financial means so that they're better equipped to handle the financial expenses of that property. The second reason we recommend having the home in a revocable living trust is that it can make the process of selling the property easier. You see, when the property vests in the heirs, that means they all have to agree on everything, from whether to invest in the property to fix it up before it goes on the market, to which realtor we're going to hire, what price we're going to list it at, and what offers to accept. And it can really slow down the process. It can lead to family fighting, and we have to get everybody's signatures on everything. So one of the benefits of having that property in a trust is that we can have the successor trustee handle the sale. It'll be much more smooth. They can just take care of the process from start to finish. And then once the property is sold, they can distribute the proceeds to everybody. A third reason why it can be beneficial to put that home in a revocable living trust is if you want to give any special instructions about what to do with the property, especially if there's some sort of sentimental value. Maybe you want to give a family member a right of first refusal to buy the property or to continue to reside there for some period of time. That's going to be much easier for us to handle privately through a trust than to have to deal with that through the probate court. Overall, there's a lot of benefits to having your home in a revocable living trust. It'll make the process much smoother for the family from start to finish and reduce the likelihood of family fighting. In fact, I can tell you from personal experience, when my grandfather died, my aunt was trustee, and the process for her to sell his home and distribute the proceeds was very quick and painless for the entire family. And that was a big relief for me because as the estate's attorney, I would have been the one getting the phone call if it didn't go smoothly. And my aunt and her siblings don't always see eye to eye on things. So if you're not sure what the right structure is for you and your family, give our office a call and we'll help you talk through your goals and options and figure out the right strategy for your needs.